Panda!
It's a beautiful morning. Tara is taking care of her big, bright sunflower.
I want that!
Wait, Pugsy, this one is mine. It's too heavy for you to take, but I have something special just for you.
That little thing? It's so tiny.
It looks tiny, Pugsy, but inside is a sleepy little seed baby.
Let's plant it in the soil. Pat it down gently. Now, we give it some water.
Deep inside the soil, the water reaches the seed baby. It's starting to wake up.
There's nothing here!
No, Pugsy. We have to wait. The magic is happening down there, under the soil.
Tara is right. The little seed baby is cracking. A tiny root comes out of the seed baby.
The flower is busy growing.
Growing takes a lot of time. Pugsy waters the soil very carefully every single morning. Under the soil, the roots are glowing with life.
Pugsy, come look.
Tara! Look!
See, it is out. Be very, very gentle, Pugsy. Say hello to your little plant.
Weeks go by. With sunshine and water, Pugsy's plant grows taller and taller. Just look at those amazing roots drinking up the water under the soil, pushing the plant all the way up. They are exactly the same. Pugsy grew his very own sunflower.
Wow! Sing! I made this! Using this! I made it! You can do it too!
That's right. You can grow your very own seed baby at home. Grab a pot, some soil, and a little water, and watch the magic happen.
Are you ready? Here we go! Want to learn how things grow? First you dig a little hole, not too big, not too small. Drop the seed right in the middle, cover it up, that's part one. Dig, dig, dig! Plant, plant, plant! Water, pour, pour, pour. Wait! Dig, plant, water, wait. That's how you make something great. Dig, plant, water, wait. Watch it grow, it won't be late. Every single morning, bring your watering can. Pour a little slowly, that's the growing plan. Waiting is the hardest part, but the plan is doing its job. Down below where you can't see, it's becoming what it wants to be. One day you'll wake up